Hi, Air Science crew. We have made it to week 2, and so I wanted to give you a brief overview of what to expect and kind of familiarize you again with the homepage and how I've organized everything. So for this week, here is the homepage. If you look here, I've changed it August 31st, week of August 31st, so that's the week we're in. If you needed to look back, you could click on slide and go back to slide 2, and that will be the previous week. So the current week will always be slide 1. Make sure you have that correct, and then you can find the past weeks in sequential order backwards. Okay, so here is the home page. If you click on this week, it will take you to a typed up week at a glance. I will show you that in a minute. This week we're going to start the content. So we are reading section 1.1 on our online textbook. Click that link, it'll take you to the assignment page that will have a link for the textbook in there to the section that I want you to read, and then that you will have a couple questions to answer and submit via Canvas. And then the last thing is a discussion. I've published a question for discussion where you will respond to it. You can't see anybody else's responses until you've completed it, and then you'll respond to your classmates. And I ask, and I will be grading this, so please follow along. I ask that you respond thoughtfully to your classmates, not just a, hey, that's a good job. Make some sort of comment back to them about either you hadn't thought of that perspective, or what about this, or yeah, I wrote that too, and this is why I thought it. So we're trying to actually get some discussion going. This is something we'll continue to do in class, where we probably will have a round circle discussion about the topic, and we may or may not submit discussion questions or answers via Canvas after that, so it'll just kind of depend. So that's what if you click on these links, that's what you have this week. If we go over to modules, I'll open it up here. It kind of lays out the same stuff, just a little different order. So I've rearranged things. Up at the top is a Google Meet link that's available all the time. If you are logging into my Google Meet and it's on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and it's not during your normal class time, if any Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if you log on and I'm not there, and I don't show up in a minute or two, go ahead and send me an email, because sometimes I am having to run errands or meet with other teachers about some things, and I might not be available right away. So just send me an email, and then I will say, okay, and I'll try to get on as soon as I can, or give you a time that I can. Also, sometimes if you join my Google Meet, I might be on the phone, and so I'll see that you were there, but I won't turn on my mic or my camera, and I'll try to write a little message in the chat box is what I try to do, and like, hey, it'll be 10 minutes or so. It's an estimate. I try my best, but just let me know that you have questions and we can set up a time. Okay, so that's the Google Meet. Here is our first unit. Everything for this unit will be stored here. So as we progress through weeks, I will be adding it here until we have a chapter test, or we finish the unit. So you'll see this is the week at a glance for, August 31st this week, and then here are the 2 assignments for that. What I will do is kind of keep that in that order. You'll see a week at a glance and the assignments for that week, then you'll see another week at a glance and the assignments for that week. I think that'll be the easiest. I can indent these as well. So if I click on the week at a glance, you will see that I have this where I'm keeping the video too, but I've also put in, kind of broken down the assignments that or the plan for the week, basically. I've laid out what we're going to talk about in my lives. So this little box here is during our live classes that aren't required, but if you want to attend, this is kind of what we'll focus on. I have the KUD, which is kind of the outline for the unit, which I will get posted here in a little bit. I just realized I didn't do that. So the KUD will be posted. You have some vocab that's attached with that. What I ask is that you start working on the vocab. The vocab is something that we all have to kind of come together and work out and discuss, but I like for you to have written down some definitions and have a basic idea of what that vocab is. So that we'll start talking about that on Tuesday, and then Thursday we'll discuss the discussion question that I've posted. You don't have to have it answered by then. If you want to wait until after Thursday where we have time to discuss it, and then that'll help shape your answer, that's fine. In fact, I almost recommend that, because then it gives you the full view of what I'm looking for, and you can help have your answer more complete. This category, assignments, I have section 1.1 reading and questions, and then discussion, and I ask that you start your vocab. This is what you have to turn in for the week. Okay, and then finally, here over in video notes, if I make some notes that are not in the live, or like in this case, I'm probably going to record the live lesson on Tuesday, I'll post that here. So these will be separate from this. Sometimes they might be the live recordings, but sometimes they are totally separate recordings or videos that I have asked that you guys watch, and I'll post that here so you kind of have an idea. Then I've reminded everyone that assignments are due on the 4th. You can turn late assignments in whenever you want, but know that I will put in zeros either Friday or the following Monday, so you know I don't have that assignment. And then finally, here are the multiple ways you can get on my Google Meet. Different links, and I posted it there. So if you need me, I'm there. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you this week. And I hope you had a wonderful and safe weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.